What if you could build a powerful, wealth-generating portfolio that you barely ever have to touch? So many people think that to get rich from the stock market, you need to be glued to your screen 24/7, making stressful decisions and knowing every single thing about every company. They get paralyzed by the thousands of choices, and the fear of one wrong move keeps them on the sidelines, missing out on years of incredible growth. Well, today I'm going to show you a 3 ETF Vanguard strategy that throws all that stress right out the window. We're going to perfectly balance aggressive growth with rock-solid stability, creating a portfolio so simple and effective you can set it, forget it, and get back to living your life while your money does all the hard work for you. This is the blueprint for passive wealth that actually works in the real world. Before I just give you the ticker symbols, we need to get on the same page about why this strategy is so powerful. You know what the biggest threat to your long-term wealth is? It's not a market crash. It's not a recession, it's us. Our emotions and our tendency to overcomplicate things are the biggest portfolio killers. When a strategy is too complex, we can't stick with it when things get scary. This is where we can borrow a little wisdom from legendary investors like Vanguard's own founder, Jack Bogle. His big idea was revolutionary because it was so simple. Stop trying to beat the market. Just own the market. Keep your costs dirt cheap, stay diversified, and let compound interest work its magic. This single philosophy has probably built more real-world wealth for regular people than any other strategy out there. It's about working smarter, not harder. Our 3 ETF portfolio is built on that exact foundation, just modernized for today. It's designed to do 3 specific things and do them incredibly well. First, we want to capture the entire U.S. economy's growth. We want a piece of the whole pie, not just a slice. Second, we add a turbo boost with a tech tilt. We are going to lean into the sector that drives global innovation and future progress. And third, we provide an anchor of stability. We need something to keep the ship steady and stop us from panic selling when the market gets bumpy. The secret sauce here is efficiency. By using low-cost Vanguard ETFs, we ensure that fees aren't silently eating away at your hard-earned returns. Vanguard is the undisputed king of low-cost investing, and lower costs mean more of your money stays in your pocket, compounding for your future. First up, the bedrock of our entire portfolio, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, ticker symbol VTI. Its job is simple but profound. Own a small piece of every publicly traded company in the United States. It doesn't pick winners or try to guess what's next. It just structurally owns the U.S. economy as a whole. VTI holds stock in roughly 3,500 to 4,000 different companies. This includes all the giants you know, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, but also thousands of mid-size and small-cap companies you've never heard of. This makes it one of the most diversified funds on the planet, covering nearly 100% of the investable U.S. stock market. The best part? The cost. VTI's expense ratio is a ridiculously low 0.03%. For every $10,000 invested, you pay just $3 a year. That is a tiny price for owning the entire American economy. Okay, a 12.5% return is great, but we're here to do a little better than average, right? To do that, we need to add some spice. Say hello to our growth engine, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker VGT. VGT is here for one reason: explosive growth. It gives us concentrated exposure to the U.S. tech sector, which has been the primary driver of innovation for decades. VGT holds over 300 stocks from the tech world. Its top holdings are a who's who of global innovators like Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft, the companies literally powering the AI revolution. By adding VGT, we're making a calculated bet that technology will continue to grow faster than the overall economy. Over the past decade, VGT has posted incredible numbers, with average annual returns in the neighborhood of 20%. This is how you seriously accelerate your wealth-building journey. Now for a quick reality check. This extra growth comes with extra drama. Tech stocks are powerful, but they can drop faster and harder than the broader market during a correction. That is simply the price of admission for higher returns. This is exactly why VGT is only a part of our portfolio, not the whole thing. The expense ratio for VGT is 0.10%. It's a bit higher than VTI, but still incredibly cheap for a specialized sector fund. You might be thinking, wait, aren't all the stocks in VGT already inside VTI? And you'd be right. But by holding VGT as a separate position, we are intentionally overweighting the tech sector. We are giving ourselves a growth tilt while still being anchored to our diversified core. We want the rocket ship, but we also want the safety net that prevents us from crashing if the engines fail. Our final ETF is the unsung hero of this portfolio, the one that lets you sleep at night. It's the Vanguard Short-Term Corporate Bond ETF, ticker VCSH. Let's be clear. Its job is not to make you rich. Its job is to play defense. VCSH provides stability, generates income, and most importantly, keeps you from doing something stupid. Think about it. When the market is tanking and every headline is screaming crash, this is the anchor that keeps your portfolio's value from swinging wildly. It's the shock absorber that helps prevent the panic selling that destroys so many investors' futures. VCSH invests in thousands of high-quality, investment-grade corporate bonds. Because they are short-term, the fund is less sensitive to interest rate changes. It's also an income machine, paying out a dividend every single month. Having this in the mix smooths out the ride so the growth parts of your portfolio have time to work their magic. Okay, so we have our 3 ingredients. How do we actually mix them into a portfolio? Your personal allocation will depend on your age and how much risk you're comfortable with. But here's a simple framework you can use as a starting point. For the young and aggressive investor, typically those in their 20s to mid-30s, the focus is all about growth. We suggest 70% in VTI for that total market base, 20% in VGT for that performance kick, and 10% in VCSH as a small buffer. If you started with $10,000, this would look like $7,000 in VTI, $2,000 in VGT, and $1,000 in bonds. This mix maximizes your time horizon, allowing you to ride out the ups and downs while capturing massive upside. It's the aggressive stance, but one that is built on a very solid foundation. As you move through life, your goals change, and so should your portfolio. For the balanced investor, those in their late 30s to early 50s, we dial back the risk just a notch. We shift to 60% VTI, 15% VGT, and increase our stability anchor to 25% in VCSH. We're protecting our gains as we get closer to our goals, while still keeping the growth engine running. Now, if you are a preservation-focused investor, perhaps 55 or older, protecting your capital becomes the top priority. At this stage, half of your portfolio, 50%, moves into our stable bond fund, VCSH. The stock portion remains at 40% VTI and 10% VGT to provide just enough growth to beat inflation. This ensures that even if the stock market takes a dip, your retirement nest egg remains secure and continues to pay you monthly income. The best part? Setting this up is dead simple. You can buy these 3 ETFs in any brokerage account. Once you're set up, make it automatic. Set up monthly contributions to keep buying shares, a powerful habit called dollar cost averaging. Then just once a year, take a peek. Your allocations might get out of whack because some ETFs grew faster than others. Rebalancing just means trimming a bit from your winners and buying more of your underperformers. It's a disciplined way of forcing yourself to buy low and sell high without any guesswork. Investing doesn't have to be stressful. By putting this system in place, you can stop worrying about the market's daily drama and focus on living your life. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Now tell me in the comments, what does your set and forget portfolio look like? I'll see you in the next one.